Hi again, everyone. There have been some problems with posting our images of the flowcharts in the discussion area in Leo. So let's take a look at that real quick, and I'll show you how I do it. It's not necessarily the only way to do it, but I'll show you how I get that accomplished, and maybe you guys can build from that and find a better way of doing it. There's always, as I say all the time, there's always more than one way to skin the cat. So first and foremost, now I'm going to copy the code and the flowchart over. So the code for me is more of a pain than copying the image over. So let's take a look at that. So I've got that selected. I'll copy that and go to my discussion area that I already have selected. This is the flowchart section for week 3. And I'll compose a new post and call this Super Bowl code. That's good enough. And use number 1 Super Bowl code. And now, if you notice, if you paste that directly from Notepad++, it doesn't format that properly in terms of giving you the indentations here in the guts of each module as we need to have. So rather than doing that, I'm going to go into a blank Word document and paste that in there, and then do Control A, which selects everything, and then Control C, and then you can paste from Word and paste that in there like that, and the formatting is a lot better. So now the line spacing is not exactly what we want to see, but it does have that that formatting in terms of the indentation of the guts of each module. So that's not too bad. So then I'll position that that cursor where I want the image of the flowchart to be. So we'll go back to Raptor and take a look at the flowchart. And I use a standard utility that's available with Windows 7 and Windows 8 called the Snipping Tool. And I will open that guy and select my flowchart. And I will save that. Now I've already got the picture saved out here, and I'll save that as PNG. That's fine. And then go back to my discussion, and back up here at the top you click on Insert an Image, and Upload, and select that guy. And click Done. It's going to ask you for a name for that image. So we'll call it Super Bowl flowchart. Click OK. Okay. And then you see that we have the code up above with the proper problem number if there were one. This is all hypothetical. So then you can go down to number 2 and enter new code. And then you post that. Go back to the discussion page. And you'll see I've got a new post there called Super Bowl code. And you have my code for that program that's formatted properly and my image. So that's how you do it. That's not too bad. So hopefully that works for you guys. If not, let me know, and we'll try a different path. All right, thanks.